One of our goals is to make supplemental oxygen as available and as accessible as bottled water. We use 95% aviators grade oxygen, not medical oxygen, so it's legal to purchase and use in a non-prescription form.
Boost Oxygen is the most trusted oxygen canister brand in the world.
Boost Oxygen is the world's leading manufacturer of compressed oxygen canisters. We're the world's leader because we have the highest quality manufacturing standards and the highest quality components of any can in the industry.
We founded Boost Oxygen in 2007, and our goal was to make a compressed oxygen canister that was easy to use and convenient. We decided to make a patented mask, which is ergonomic, fits very nicely around the mouth. It was extraordinarily easy to use for the consumer. We also worked very closely with the Department of Transportation to allow us to fill oxygen into aluminum cans, and also work with them further after that to allow us to put more pressure in the canisters to give the consumer greater value. More pressure equals more oxygen in the can.
Every component in a Boost Oxygen canister is made of the highest quality food-grade materials, from our specially lined aluminum canister to our specially designed and patent-protected polypropylene mask.